Nothing happens.
Nothing happens. Plugged in. That's what's up. Okay. It's a grounding issue. You trying to find a radio station? Squirrel? Buffdo Campo chasing squirrels.
Okay, I'll turn it off. I'm just screwing around with that. Oh, Jesus.
Let's see if it works now. Okay, try it.
What's it clunking? See the black mark? It doesn't look to me like it's turning far enough.
You know what it is?
What?
I've got the arms on backwards. This here, I gotta keep it going.
Okay, I turn it
Keep it. No, keep going. I want to get it in on the video. See, the two arms are reversed.
Okay.
Yeah, that makes perfect sense. So, go ahead, stop it. All right. Darn it. Well, you live and you learn.
So what do we got to do? You got to take the screws back up, or can you do it where it is?
I got to take it all back out of the car.
Oh.
Completely out of the car.
Okay, so I'll start taking the screws out.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's wrong. I gotta take those wiper arm bushings.
Why didn't you put it back the way you took it apart? Why didn't you put it back the way you took it apart?
Because I didn't take it apart.
You didn't take it apart.
It was in the trunk in pieces.
It was just a bunch of pieces in the trunk. That's
I was
why.
really close, but see,
you were really close.
You're not looking.
No, I know. I'm
arm
walking
here.
Around you.
It has to go on the bottom.
Oh.
And this arm has to go on the top. That's what's wrong. But at least we have all the parts and we know it. You know, the motor works.
Yeah. It's just making strange noises and it's...
What's rubbing?
Yeah,
because it's wrong.
Del Campo here. We got the windshield wiper, that transmission, which I always thought was linkage, but it's a transmission. Kim worked. It was a whole ordeal. I guess we've covered that some, but I want to put a little water on the window, and then we're going to run the wipers. There's a place on the wipers that's metal to metal, right there. So I put a piece of tape so I won't destroy the windshield. And now we're going to try this and see what happens. There's fast, which isn't real fast. There's slow. Of course, the engine's not running, so it's only 12 volts or 11 and a half or something. But let's see if they park in the right place. They park. And see what Kim did was she had that motor all apart, and there was some thing in there that's, I forget what she called it. It makes it so the motor parks in the right place, and she cleaned all that and redid the commutator and the brushes and everything, and look at the results. It works really well. They park in the right place. I'll do one more sweep. Look at this. They park right where they're supposed to. Good deal. I'm pretty happy with that.
The little things that are pretty darn important.
Yeah, we got this car, there's no wipers. So we really planned our trip back from Texas around the weather to make sure we drove up here when there was no rain, and we pulled that off. So now I can drive in the rain.
Check one more off the list.
Check one more off the list. Wipers, done.